gonna probably just take off just a couple of these lower limbs, but for the most part, we're just gonna go through and deadwood these ponderosas here. And again, on this one here, just taking some dead wood out, clearing out some of the branches that are growing in between the whorls on this guy, just to allow a little more filtered sunlight in through. That's the maple that we're gonna crown clean as well, and you can see that lower part just kind of scraggly looking. So we're gonna do a little bit of pruning there. And then the fruit tree over here, the pear, I believe it is, or apple. Primarily, we're just going to be reducing it from growing over the neighbor's property. Anyways, that is, and then when it came to the shrubs, this is the area that she was kind of talking about doing some pruning, kind of cleaning the spot up a little bit. So I kind of figured we'd just do a significant crown raise and try to clear that area up a little bit for her. Like that pyrrheus, if we raise that up quite a bit, and the Japanese maple, maybe do a little pruning there, and then this Rowan needs to get something done to it. Anyways, probably do that toward the very end. That's it. I want this one. You want this one? So what we're doing here is the neighbor's rhododendrons are really starting to kind of get a little too tall. It's beginning to kind of upset the balance here for this magnolia. So what we're going to do is we're going to reduce this height down a little bit, allow a little more of this southern sun to come in, fill this area out. So we'll be doing like some drop crotch pruning. Whoop. Thanks for watching. Check us out on our other media platforms. Make sure to like and subscribe.